Kia ora whanau, welcome back. Another Garage Racers episode coming your way. You might remember me back in the day from epic classic Garage Racers content such as how to do an Evo 10 exhaust on an Evo 10.
Yeah, Blair, you got your hands dirty in your car.
Yep. Not the best time to get them dirty when I'm about to eat. Or how about how to bog an unboggable RX-7. Or who dis? Another Evo. He's asked me to do some arts and crafts on the Gab suspension.
And why is that, Blair?
Because I thought it'd be a good idea to paint strip them basically. Today we're going to crack into some really awesome stuff you'll be really into, really nostalgic. We're into the third chapter of the GTR story, and please subscribe down here. No, just joking, don't do that rubbish. Massive crate drop today. Like, this stuff has been on the boat. Japan to New Zealand. COVID, no issue, no problem. Unboxing, epic, classic JDM car parts. Let's go! What do we have here? Woohoo! Love oil filler caps. These are really good upgrades for your car. So often overlooked. People run just too often a JDM factory oil filler cap, but not here, boys and girls. We run Nismo. Up, two. If you want to shift like the business, you got to shift with a Nismo shift knob. So this thing here is going to make my shift slick and smooth and get me in the groove, and I'm going to get some real mad track respect. So mad respect, this is going to go on and it's going to be on song. And then hop, my baby. This thing here is from way back in the day. In fact, I've seen this actual exact front pipe in best motoring videos. It's Nismo, and I shined it, and it's just a great find, and it's going to really open up my exhaust, and it is going to be on tune. Gloves, please. So when I work in cars, I always wear gloves. Why? You've got to look after yourself. So if you look after yourself, your car will look after you. So just putting these gloves on, always good to put right hand on first if you're right-handed, because it's more sort of your steady hand, and it can help your left hand because it's always not your natural hand. Right, so what you do is once you've got gloves on, nice and secure, make sure you got nothing around you that you could slip on. I usually wouldn't wear sandals, but today I am, just because I'm going to be really careful in the sandals. But just bear that in mind, working cars shouldn't wear sandals. So right, getting back down, always good to get on. Oh geez mate, sorry, yeah, don't know where that came from. Right, so when working on cars, it's always good to get on the same level. So when I think about working on a car, I think about talking to a dog. You want to get on their level so you can communicate. Head-eye level always should be in line with the engine, so the engine can always understand when you're working on it, so there's no surprises. What I like to do first of all is lay out what I'm going to work on. So I'm going to take this oil filler cap, and I'm going to actually just unbox it just really nicely, because what you can actually do, you can actually put your other cap back in there and save it for later. And what happens is in 10 years from now, I'll have another really great rare heritage GTR part, which I can sell on eBay for $1,000. So there we go. Nice. Yep, just going to put that bad boy down there, like so. In here, so you can see where it is. So this is basically like the engine bay, and there's like lots of stuff in the engine bay. You got that, Corey? So today I'm going to really focus on the oil cap. Some people might call it oil filler cap. I just call it oil cap. Yeah, just loosen it up like so, and then just unscrew it clockwise or anti-clockwise. I just turn it, and it usually comes off, but you might do it however you do it. And then I take it and put it down here on the ground, and I take this one here. I find it quite good to actually leave it in its sort of foam supportive square box thingy, because I can actually put it on the RB26. So, like so, and then I can really line it up. So, take it out, in, and then turn, 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 turn. And there we have it. Looks great, goes great, performs great, it is great, it's Nismo. Shift knob. Yep, this is it, man. We're going to do a shift knob now. So, key is when you buy a shift knob is you need to maximize social media exposure. So make sure you get lots of selfies with your gear knob or shift knob. It'll be real cool, call it shift knob. And good idea is actually just to take it around with you for a week. Just wherever you go, take your shift knob with you in the box and just shoot it. You know, get out and about with it, enjoy it, because once it's fixed in your car, once it's fixed in your car, you can't really take it back off and do those things that you used to be able to do with it. Yeah, we'll kick into it now. Install the gear knob or shift knob, and yeah, I'll show you like how we do it really. Like there's a couple of steps though, so like I said. Keep that in mind and you'll be fine, and you'll be driving with the shift knob in no time at all. So yeah, we'll just crack into it now. Just going to put it on. Alright, this guy, you've already done it, mate. Well, that's kind of awkward, but all good, mate. Sorry, Corey, old mate Seamus has already put the shift knob on, so yeah, that's probably a good thing. It's something we prepared earlier because it can be quite time consuming. We don't want you guys to watch it because it'll take forever, but yeah, that's how you do a shift knob. Oh, well, we've done that all well. Besides the fact that we need to break the news to our tribe of followers that the front pipe's not happening. Hopefully no one's waited till the end to see that, because they'll be disappointed. That'll just have to happen later on.
I know what else we can do. We do have these hoary tinted windows here.
Oh, bro, if we could take those off. How do we do that, Corey?
Here's a video I prepared earlier.
No.
Although yours are in much better condition than my hoary purple ones. Yours are just
purple's
hoary white.
cool, man. I like purple. Prince likes purple. Purple rain.
Removing tint's pretty simple. If you've seen any videos, they're all pretty much the same. But I did this not long ago on the FC and made up this mix of acetone and water. Spray the shit out of the windows with this lovely chemical. So we don't have a heat gun here, but Blair, as you can see, has long locks and needs to dry that every morning before hitting the...
Before working from home.
But before working from home. So this hairdryer should do the trick.
But when she blows, she blows.
Can you just point this way, apparently?
Shane is onto something.
Oh, guys, I wasn't going to take that one off.
You weren't?
No, I was going to leave the recorders on.
Are you serious?
Nah, it's all good, bro.
You were though, eh?
No.
You were though, eh?
No.
Yeah, he was.
You were, eh? Oh my god, I was like, this is going to come off real easy.
It's okay, it's too late now, bro.
It is a bit too late now. Oh no, I'll just put it back on. Get the hairdryer and we'll straighten it up.
You reckon?
I'm so sorry.
Oh, it doesn't actually bother me.
I'm sorry. I was like, this is going to come off so easy.
It's so good.
And what I did is I folded the seat forward.
Old mate, just like the gear knob, straight in there. It's okay, I've just removed the RB, put in the SR. Oh, too late.
Too late.
made it this far in the video, I congratulate you. So thanks for watching. Promise it's not all stupid stuff with Blair's car. There is some pretty exciting stuff to come. In fact, Blair installed some cup holders the other day. And don't worry, there is some rotary content coming soon. I've just started a major project on the FC. As you can see, there are some certain key things missing. So watch this space.
Do you reckon we can do it? Not even looking. Can you do trick photography, Corey? Ready, practice, go. Oh! What's up, guys? It's that crazy cartoon guy here back again. Hey, what's up, guys? Alright.
If it helps, you can look at me when you're doing it, because I'm like right behind you.
Okay, I'll look at you. Yeah.
Watch the birdie!
Alright, now let's hit it. We're going to do a one take wonder here, and I'm not going to hash this up, so how to bog an unbottable, no, cut, unbottable. You can follow me around, mate, be like, come with me, mate, we're in the cave.
Come on, Steve, let's go.
Just here is an Evo 1 CD9A headlight. So, got gloves on. Must use some gardening.